Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show y'all how to get your Xbox 360 controller working on your Xbox One with the Brooks Game Controller Super Converter. Basically, what it does, it uses your Xbox 360 controller to your Xbox One. It's nothing, to put it simpler, you know, so basically, there's what you can use, the steering wheel, Xbox 360 and Xbox One wired. I don't know why it's Xbox One wired if it's a Xbox One. I mean Xbox 360 to Xbox One adapter. Also your joystick and a dance mat if you play like Dance Revolution or something like that. And then it goes into the Xbox One or PC. Oh look, no original wired Xbox One controllers need for verification. So that means like you don't have to plug in your Xbox One controller in order to use this. I picked this up at Video Games New York in Manhattan, Chinatown. On Amazon, they were selling this for about 50 bucks, right? And I got it for 43.54, right? Oh, okay, instructions. Okay, here's the instructions. It says step 1, connect the super converter to the USB port of the Xbox One. Step 2, connect the Xbox 360 game controller to the super converter via a standard USB cable. The registration of the controller starts automatically and finishes when the port indicated light on the controller turns on or when pushing triggers or pushing a button triggers a response on the screen. Okay, it basically just tells us what to do, but basically we don't need instruction because we're fucking men. See that shit? Oh shit, I can't even get rid of it the right way, but I'll just put it up there. Okay? So, here you are, man of the hour. Gonna see if you work. Okay? So, gotta plug it in, and then the green light will come on. I don't know where will it come on at. Alright, so you plug this into the back of your Xbox One. By the way, I got the Xbox One S. It's real nice. It's okay. And there's the green light. The green light is on. So, since we're done with you and you two could go back in the box. If I could get you in the box, which I can, one hand champion. And today we'll be using, I know which I could tell by the sound of it. I'll be using, this bad boy right here, a Hori Fright Stick. So caliber 5 artwork. But I don't know if you could look at it, but my girl got a camel toe. Sorry, somebody pointed that out the other day. It was real fucking creepy. But anyway, alright, since the green light is on, alright, let's get the end of you. Alright. Okay, gotta plug you in. Sorry, I'm doing this with one hand, so please deal with me if I can do this the right way. Hello. I think I got this the wrong way, honestly. I think I did have it the wrong way. No, I had it the right way. I'm sorry. I got it. Okay, I had to use my other hand to hold the Xbox One in place. Oh, it didn't come on. Okay, it's not on. So what's up? What did I do wrong? Huh? What did I do wrong? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh, oh, oh, oh. Oops. I took it all off at the same time. Okay, I'm gonna pause it. I'll be back to you once I get this straightened out. Okay, I'm back. Alright. I'll plug this bad boy back in again. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's on. It's on. Okay, it's on. It's on. Okay. Now, for the main test of the hour. Oh. Oh. Okay, let's go home. Okay, I already got Mortal Kombat X. Okay, let's wait for this to load up. Sorry about the flash. And sorry about me doing the sniffles. Currently sick right now. You know. We gotta wait for this bad boy to load up. Come on. Come on. Oh, there's a start button too. Come on, can I press A or something? Oh, there we go. There you go. Start game volume. Yeah, I press start. Let's go up. To show you that it works. Alright. Practice. Let's just pick anybody. Get it done with. Once again, this is the Xbox 360 to Xbox One converter by Brooks. I got this from Video Games New York because online it is a lot of money, about $50 for this. Okay, so you know, instead of me paying like $200 or $150 for a new Hawaii Rap 4, or get a Mad Catz, you know, TE2, something like that, I can just stick to the original Hawaii for 360. You know, but yeah, Video Games New York, check it out, $40. Link to address will be in the description, or if you could just Google it if you live in New York City. $40, really best game store in America, probably the whole world. Just show ya how it does. Okay, I'm gonna do this with one hand. I don't know who I am. I'm you. Let me see, jump. It shows you right there. Alright, I don't know no combos for Scorpion. I really don't know no combos with Scorpion. I suck. Okay. Okay, well, you see the combos. Alright, so we're gonna press. We're gonna do this real quick. You're gonna see what I'm gonna press real quick. Okay, let's check out the thing. See, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then A. 3, 4, 5, 6. And press start. There you go. So, guys, hope you liked the videos. If you did, thumbs it up. If you got any questions, just comment down below. I'll be glad to help you out. But once again, this is the Brooks Xbox 360 to the Xbox One controller adapter. Catch you on the flip side. Peace.